Hi, thank you for coming to look at the Central CT Surgeon's website. I'm sure that if you're looking at this website today, you are looking for help with a surgeon that does bariatric surgery or advanced laparoscopy. Let me tell you a little bit about me. My name is Carlos Barba. I'm originally from Panama City, Panama. I finished my training in 1986 in the University of McGill in Canada. I then went for a further fellowship at the University of Pennsylvania and came to Hartford in 1993. Since that time, where I was doing a trauma and critical care and laparoscopy surgery, I was very interested in obesity surgery. I did my first case in 1995. Since that time, I have done over 3,500 cases of bariatric surgery. I was the first one to do a laparoscopic gastric bypass in the state of Connecticut. At the time when I started, there was not many people doing this type of surgery, and I feel very proud that we have accomplished tremendous experience that had no parallel in the state. We were one of the first center of excellence in the state when I did accomplish that certification when I was working at St. Francis Hospital. Today, I have partnership with the Hospital of Central Connecticut, and we are also a center of excellence. We also perform all type of advanced laparoscopy, and that's something that excites us, and we have a lot of experience. I will invite all of you who are looking for this type of surgery, either surgery to treat bariatric and morbid obesity, or surgery, advanced laparoscopic surgery, to come and look at our website and come to one of our free informational sessions. I'm positive you will be very reassured that we have an excellent team and that you will find that not only me, but all my staff are very proud of the way that we treat our patients. Because one of my main concerns is that patients feel very comfortable when it comes to our office. I think that every patient should be treated like if it's our family. And that's something that is very important to me. So if you're still looking for a surgeon, still looking to know more about bariatric surgery, come to one of our informational sessions. They're for free. We have several every month. Just look at our numbers in the website and you could register from there. So I hope to see you sometime soon, either to talk about bariatric surgery or talk about any other surgery regarding laparoscopy or general surgery. I hope you will visit us in the near future. Thank you.